We may now be seated. And now, let us listen to Reign Cybel A. Delgado with honors for her welcome address.
To our esteemed guest speaker, the Vibrant Curriculum Implementation Division Chief, Dr. Rogelio H. Pasinos, and the authorized representative of Sir Reynante Z. Caligiran, Schools Division Superintendent of SDO Cagayan, our visionary, workaholic, and fatherly public school district supervisor, Dr. Leo G. Kasaway, the ever-gorgeous, well-rounded, and always on the go Principal Chief of this prestigious institution, Dr. Riza G. Rarama, the strong and tough generals of the different schools in the district, LGU and barangay officials, SPTA officials, SGC officials, and other stakeholders, our intelligent and dedicated teachers, our loving and supportive dear parents, other guests and visitors, ladies and gentlemen, a glorious afternoon to one and all. Graduation in elementary marks a significant milestone in a child educational journey, symbolizing the transition from elementary school to junior high. This event is not just a ceremony. It encapsulates the culmination of years of learning, growth, and personal development. This occasion also serves as a time to celebrate the hard work and dedication that we learners have put into our studies. It acknowledges our academic accomplishments and the skills we have developed over the years. It also serves as a reflection on our journey, the friendship we formed, and the challenges we've overcome. Today, make us feel a bittersweet moment, for we are excited about the new opportunities that await us in junior high. But we also feel a sense of nostalgia for our elementary school days. But as they say, there is always a beginning and an end. In short, life must go on for better opportunities. To my fellow candidates for graduation, today is a celebration of our hard work, resilience, and growth. We have faced challenges, achieved goals, and created memories that will last a lifetime. We should be proud of everything we have accomplished. To our parents, families, and guardians, thank you for unwavering support, encouragement, and love. Your presence here means a lot, and your role in our journey has been invaluable. To our teachers, mentors, and school staff, thank you for dedication, passion, and belief in the every potential of every learner sitting before you. Your impact reaches far beyond the classroom. As we celebrate this milestone, may we reflect on the journey that brought us here and look forward to the bright future ahead. On behalf of the Camalaniugan Central School Batch 2025, it is my great honor and joy to welcome you all to this very special occasion, our graduation ceremony. Please enjoy, and may God bless us all. Welcome, welcome.